Welcome to the deep dive, where today we are tearing down the walls. Literally.
We really are.
We're diving into the convergence of OTT streaming and the metaverse and, well, why the future of media is so much bigger than the flat screen. Okay, let's just jump right in with the hook you shared. It's incredible. Imagine watching the World Cup final.
But you're not on your couch.
Not at all. You're standing on the field, right there, next to Lionel Messi as he takes that penalty kick. You feel the crowd. You see the goalie's expression.
That's the whole shift. From flat screen to spatial media, streaming becomes something you literally step inside.
So what's our mission here? What are we trying to understand in this deep dive?
Our mission is really to figure out how this tech is turning you, the viewer, into a visitor. And, what the massive challenges are to making it all feel real.
But why do we even need this? I mean, I feel like everyone has subscription fatigue.
Yeah.
We're paying for dozens of apps to watch the same black rectangle.
And that's the core of it, right? The value proposition has to change.
So what is it?
It's a fundamental shift. We move from paying for static content to paying for a dynamic experience. And the key thing the metaverse adds is social presence.
It solves the loneliness of streaming.
Exactly. You can watch a movie in a virtual theater sitting right next to your friend's avatar, even if they're 1,000 miles away.
Okay, so let's unpack this. Let's talk about the most exciting applications, the three models of convergence we found. First up, the social theater.
Or Living Room 2.0, as some call it.
What are companies actually doing with this?
Well, look at Disney Plus. They're already on it. With a device like the Apple Vision Pro, you can watch a movie while you're sitting inside a virtual Star Wars land speeder.
So it's bringing back that communal movie night feeling.
Precisely. But the cinema can be anything, anywhere.
And for live events, for sports, this is where it gets really wild. Tell us about volumetric video.
This is the God's eye model. I mean, think about it. Hundreds of cameras capture the entire game in 3D. The user, you become the director.
So traditional TV is like a window.
Right, but volumetric video is like being a ghost in the room. You can fly anywhere, choose any viewpoint.
Even the perspective of the ball.
You can literally follow the perspective of the ball. It's incredible.
And then the lines blur even more with a third model. Gamified narratives.
Yeah, watch to earn. So you're not just watching a mystery series anymore.
You're playing it. You predict the killer, and you get what, tokens for it?
Digital tokens, in-game rewards, exactly. Your engagement actually has value.
Okay, this all sounds amazing, but also really expensive to roll out. And that brings up a crucial point from the sources, this big global split.
A massive split. On one side, you have the Rolls-Royce model.
That's the US model. Apple's Vision Pro, $3,500.
Exactly. Super high fidelity, 4K per eye, very exclusive.
And on the other side.
You have the Volkswagen model, like in India. Reliance Jio's Geodive headset costs less than $20.
$20. And it just uses your smartphone.
Right. And they're using Cricket, the IPL, as the killer app to get 1 billion people ready for spatial media. The fidelity isn't perfect, but the access is huge.
But no matter the strategy, this whole dream hits one massive technical wall.
Oh, yeah. Data. Just the sheer volume of it.
So for that 360-degree 8K video, you need something like 200 millib a piece.
At least. It's a huge bandwidth commitment. But honestly, the bigger problem is latency.
The nausea factor.
That's the one. The motion-to-photon delay. Basically, if you turn your head and the image lags.
Even for a split second.
By just 20 milliseconds, that's all it takes. Your brain registers the mismatch and you feel sick. That number has to be pretty much 0.
So tying it all together, what are the key takeaways here?
Well, the big picture is we're moving from a passive viewer to an active visitor.
Right, across social, sports, and gamified models.
We're seeing that stark contrast between the premium and the frugal strategies. But the real bottleneck for everyone is the data pipe.
Bandwidth and latency. It's a physics and infrastructure problem.
Pretty much. We're going to need 6G and edge computing to make this seamless for everybody.
For 100 years, the screen was a barrier. It was a wall between us and the story.
Yeah.
The metaverse tears that wall down. It promises a future where we suspend our reality, not just our disbelief. So the question is no longer, what are you watching, but where are you going?